Banana smoothie recipe for healthy drink. Welcome to Healthy Living by Florence Tracker. In today's video, we are going to make banana smoothie. This is very delicious, tasty, and natural, which is very healthy for everyone. So let's go right away. So today's ingredient for our banana smoothie or banana smoothie recipe is going to be this very ripe banana here. Is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use 1/4 of this avocado. We are going to use Chobani Greek yogurt. We are going to add that to it, and then we are going to use soy milk to make the smoothie. Well, this banana is very ripe. The reason why is this color is because we want our smoothie to be natural, and when you leave your banana to ripe like this, it infuses the sugar, the sweetness in it, the sugar in it, and that way when you make your smoothie, you don't need to add any sugar or any honey, anything sweetness to it. No sweetness. The smoothie comes out sweet, natural sweet taste to the smoothie. That's why I always keep my bananas to be very, very ripe. This way my smoothie is going to be very sweet and very tasty and all natural. So let's go right and start. And I'm just going to take this off and see how soft this looks. Very, very soft. This is what you want your bananas to look like anytime you want to make a smoothie. It's very soft, and then it contains all the natural sugar in the banana to make the smoothie comes out nice. Every time you make banana smoothie or any banana smoothie recipes, make sure your bananas are very ripe. And we are only using one banana, and I'm just going to cut this in little pieces into right away into the blender. As that is done, the next thing we are going to do is our avocado, and then all I'm going to do is just cut this in half, and then you have to let your avocado also ripe well before you use it. And you can see how it looks so great, and all I'm going to use is just half of this. Then you just open that. I'm just going to cut this in between that, so once I open this, it's ready for me to take out, just like that. And I'm just going to dip it right in. You can see it's already falling because this is really nice and ripe great. Alright, now that we have our banana and our avocado in here, the next thing we are going to put in here is going to be our Chobani Greek yogurt. So I'm going to open this, and you see this is really good, and I'm going to use 1/2 cup of this, and this should be enough for us. I'm going to add this to our thing here, banana and avocado. The next thing we need is our soya milk. We're going to use 1 cup. I pour this in here. That's 1 cup. And we're just going to pour this on here. So now we are going to start blending our banana smoothie recipe. Lovely, delicious, healthy one. Just going to start. Oh my, well, look at this creaminess. Looks so delicious, smells good as well. We are going to pour this right away in our glass. Well, let's pour this delicious, oh my goodness, look at that. That looks so amazing, so delicious. Lovely, lovely, look at that. And this is our banana smoothie recipe for a healthy drink. You cannot go wrong with this. Look at this. Look at how great it looks. Yummy, lovely. And we're gonna give it a taste. Hello friends, so we just finished making banana smoothie. We use avocado, we use soy milk, we use very ripe banana, and look at the result. It is so amazing. Look at that. And I'm gonna give it a quick taste. Very creamy, very smooth, light on your tongue, and it's not too sweet at all, and it tastes natural. And I hope you try this. You love it. This is a recipe I just got this myself. This recipe I just did by myself to see how it came out so nice. So I hope you taste this. I hope you try it to see how you will like like it, and leave a comment in the comment section below for me to tell me how your banana smoothie recipe came out with this recipe, and I hope you can try it yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below, and don't forget to tell me what smoothie recipe do you have. Leave it in the comment section below for me, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.